Hello watchers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you 5 most useful shortcuts of YouTube. To know them, stay with me throughout the video. Let's start. First shortcut key is K. To play and pause the video. See, when I press K, video start. Now, when I again press K, video pause. Second shortcut key is M. To mute the audio of the video. When I press M, audio is muted. When I again press M, audio starts. Third shortcut key is J. To rewind the video to 10 seconds. Pressing J takes me 10 seconds back in the video. Fourth shortcut key is L. To forward the video to 10 seconds. Pressing L takes me 10 seconds forward in the video. Fifth shortcut key is F. To toggle full screen mode. When I press F, it takes me to full screen mode. By again pressing F, it exit from full screen mode. You can use these shortcuts while watching video on YouTube, and can save time using them. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like anything in this video, then kill the like button, and if you are new to this channel, then hit the subscribe button. Thank you.